Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, grains are kind of mixed with beans and meal trying to rally. Corn unchanged, wheat lower. As far as the bean complex is concerned, we're still looking for additional U.S. Soybean sales to China. There was talk last night about an explosion in Argentina, one of their key crushing plants, which has their meal and oil premiums higher, and could increase the demand for U.S. meal exports. We're also in the corn market looking for maybe some sales of U.S. corn to China. And at the end of the day, when you look at the 2021 U.S. corn spot, that balance sheet, how tight it gets may depend upon export demand and if it increases from the current USDA's numbers. As far as farmers are concerned, U.S. farmers continue to be a reluctant seller of corn. It's raining here in Chicago today, and we would think that this rain could slow harvest down a little bit, and domestic basis in corn remains firm, and spreads are narrowing. And so it just shows how maybe tight the current U.S. corn situation might be as we gear up for a new marketing year. As far as the wheat is concerned, we're taking a little profits. It looks like a few showers might fall across parts of the southern plains, and maybe Russia has gotten some rain or could get a few more showers. But we don't look for a pattern change either in Russia or the southern plains. It should continue down the road to remain dry. Looks like Brazil, at least the northern two-thirds, is going to start seeing normal rains. And we'll be watching La Nina and the impact it might have on southern Brazil and eastern Argentina. As far as politics are concerned, I think it's important that everybody votes on November 3rd. No matter who you vote for, everyone should vote. Overnight, there's some concern about some foreign interference in the election, and also we still don't have a stimulus bill, so that could weigh on the financial markets. We're seeing a little profit taking in gold and copper as we becoming a little bit overbought, and you could say the same thing about the wheat market. So I think in general what we're going to be looking for is what are the export sales today? Are there any new daily announcements for sales for corn and beans? We'll be watching weather as it becomes more important as we get into the 2021 campaign. And we'll also be watching anything as far as COVID is concerned, anything out of Washington, and certainly the election results. For the next week or so, I'll be working remotely, so everything should be the same. But if you have any questions, you can send me an email at steve.fried@admis.com. Again, exercise your civic duty and vote on November 3rd. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.